We're just opening our pool for the season, and as you can see, there's some leaves in it, but I think we have a solution for that. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we are doing a review on this automatic pool cleaning robot. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. Now, we have a fairly big pool. This is a really cute little robot. I do want to note it does not climb walls, but that's not what we need to do today anyway. We really just wanted to clean the bottom of the pool. We're going to drop this in and let it do its job. You can see on the top here, it has different settings, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 7. And if you look in the manual, the 1, 1 is going to let it run for 120 minutes. The 2, 2, you'll be able to run it for 60 minutes, then 60 minutes the next day. So it's going to do all of this stuff depending on what setting it's going to be on. Because our pool is so dirty, we're going to do the 1, 1 setting. All right, this one's going to be a challenge for you. There you go. Into the pool it goes. And eventually it'll get to the bottom. Whoa, there it goes. It's like, whoa, I'm in the water. There it goes, down to the bottom. Now it's gonna drive around and hopefully start cleaning some stuff up. This is a pretty big challenge for it because there is a lot of leaves in here. Yep, there he goes. He's cruising. Got that leaf. That one's gone. It's just gonna drive around, suck up all the stuff. It's flying. We're just gonna look at the whole middle's clean already. Yeah. We're just gonna let it drive around and do its thing, and then we'll empty it out and show you guys what it looked like. Oh, here it comes. Let's see. Did it get that one? That one's gone. We're probably gonna have to empty it quite a few times with how many leaves are in here. Oh, it's sucking them up as it goes by. Man, this thing is booking. That's crazy how fast it's moving. Huh. Oh, here it goes. So it hit the wall, and now it's gonna go that way. And it's gonna eat up more leaves. It is just sucking them up. I like how it's leaving little clean paths as it goes. All right, go little robot dude, go. Oh, here it comes. Is it gonna suck up some of the stuff that's floating? Maybe. Oh, this is way too fun. It's definitely got a hard task ahead of it. Our pool is not normally this full of leaves, but being we just opened it for the season, it's definitely full of leaves. What do you think, hon?
That's crazy.
Compared to what it looked like before, considering there was so much in here.
It's gonna be full.
It's gotta be full. So we got the little hook there. We're gonna hook it out of there and show you guys what's inside. That's gonna be fun. Okay, ready for it? Dun, dun, dun. Oh, there's the nice filter.
Well, it's pretty good. It's
it's clean on the inside.
So right under here should be the...
Yep. Oh my gosh!
That's full.
Yeah, so if you're wondering if it works, it sucked up full leaves.
Wow.
Full leaves.
Awesome.
That's a win.
That's
we
cool.
Definitely approve of this pool cleaner.
Super lightweight.
Yeah, that's what I thought you would like the best about it, is
Yeah.
the fact that it's so lightweight. That is crazy. Yeah, so in conclusion, that's a win. We approve of that little pool cleaner.